lost in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, you wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, with me something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, let's go out. When I see you moving, hey, like me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I thought I'd take you along with me, sharing an idea that I had for some chopping boards from Kmart and giving them a rustic makeover. I hope you enjoy. Now, I recently started following this company called Frenchic Paint on Instagram, and guys, they share DIY projects that people have done when they purchase their paint products. I was really drawn to one particular product that they had shared where they take two types of products and create a more rustic stain to your old orange stained furniture. Now, using two products, first of all, the paint colour is called Creme de la Creme. You're going to do that as your undercoat first of all, and then we're going to put some wax on the top. I knew that I loved the Kmart chopping boards, but I just didn't like their colour, so I thought I would test these products out on them. So you can see here that the Kmart chopping boards have an orange tone to them in their stain. I was after a really rustic weathered stain, guys, so I decided to try this out. So taking first of all the first chopping board, I'm going to go in with Creme de la Creme in two coats.
She owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014.
So we then started on the second chopping board, also giving it two coats, and then waited for both to dry.
I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. She's moving, makes them want it so bad.
Now, once they were dry, it was time to put the wax on. Now, guys, I just used a cloth here to place it on. Now, I was really not knowing what I was doing here. I truly just was like trial and error. But I just went in and I wiped everything over the top and then sort of wiped it back off. So the key is I've watched other videos where sometimes they use a paintbrush as well, where they'll paint on the wax and then wipe off just to get that distressed look. But I was already absolutely loving the way it was coming. Now, I went in and gave the chopping boards about 2 to 3 coats, guys, just till I had the desired effect that I was aiming for. I also added these cute little bows that I created and hot glued them to the top.
Cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to.
Now, I also had these sweet little Home Sweet Home signs that I recently picked up from the reject shop. Now, guys, the thing I loved about them was I could just hang them over the chopping boards and take them off if I needed to. So I was in two minds whether I liked them with the signs or without. So I'm going to show you both options. Now, I love the paint product so much that I decided to try it out on my range hood. Now guys, I liked the stain here, but I really always wished it was a lot more rustic, and I was so happy that I chose to do this.
She's moving, makes her want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. It's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to trick. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you
So guys, I was so happy with the results of these chopping boards that I actually went and purchased one more and did a grouping of 3. This is where I'll show you them without the little home sweet home signs. So leave me a comment down below which ones you prefer.
she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I did.
So I'll leave in the description box down below, guys, the details of these products. I thoroughly recommend them. This is just my honest opinion, guys. I've seen it on Instagram. I thought I'd try it out, and it was definitely worth the money. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope I've inspired you when it comes to making over something as simple as a chopping board, or you might want to be adventurous and take a piece of furniture as well. The possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to tap your notification bells and you'll be aware next time I upload, but I upload every Sunday morning, Australian Eastern Standard Time at 8:30 a.m. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.